Restore. The Cleansing CoWash conditions the hair between regular shampoos, bringing back moisture that may have been lost during styling. Remove buildup. Break down and cleanse residue so that the hair plus scalp can maintain a healthy environment for growth. Moisturize. Coconut oil, shea butter, aloe, avocado oil plus other great ingredients absorb into the hair and work together to hydrate the plus seal that moisture in, keeping strands from drying out. Detangle. After scrubbing the scalp, work product through the hair to provide slip and conditioning for easy detangling. BodyWorks. For over a decade, coming up with straightforward solutions aimed at common, everyday beauty concerns has been Eden's promise to you. Inspired by nature, we offer quality products that treat and maintain the hair and body's original design. BodyWorks Coconut Shea Cleansing CoWash. Suds-free, silky conditioning cream to remove residue in between regular washings, promoting a healthy hair environment for growth use after use. Benefits. Blasts buildup and residue. Conditions the hair in between washes. Promotes a healthy hair environment for growth. Recommended for all hair textures. Ingredient highlights. Coconut oil. Aloe vera leaf juice. Shea butter. Top reviews from the United States. Product confidence. Love the smell how it works. Works great to control my naturally curly hair. My most recent fave.